Can you make a noise like a pterodactyl? Can you do it again? Sound like a pterodactyl. Can you tell me what you're upset about? Do you want this car to drive up your leg? No, you want to pretend you're a pterodactyl? Hey Ollie, do you want to read a book? Do you want to read a book? Can you get a book? We'll read a book. Do you want to sit in your chair and eat some lunch? You just want to stand there and sound like a pterodactyl? Yeah, you'd rather do that? A pterodactyl? Yeah? A pterodactyl? A little baby pterodactyl? A little baby pterodactyl? Yeah, do it again. Can you sound like a pterodactyl? Little baby pterodactyl? What are you doing? Oh, does the baby pterodactyl like kisses? Oh no, does the baby pterodactyl want more kisses? Does he want more kisses? You're not naked. Are you naked? I don't think so. Do you want to get naked? Oh, yeah, you're naked? You're not naked. Where's your belly? Where's your belly? Find me your belly. Where's your belly? Boing. Where's your belly? Boing. Where's your belly? Show me your belly. Show it to me. Where's your belly? Get your belly naked.